Hi all, welcome to learning on manual testing. Today we are going to learn about the levels of testing. Okay, levels of testing. So basically we have different levels. The first one will be the function levels. Second one is functional levels. The second one is non-functional levels. So what are the functional levels? So functional levels is nothing but which deals with here. Function levels deals with uh, first write you the points here. First one and second one. In functional levels, which deals with the functional requirements of the customer, something like user-friendly applications, the backend process, something like all those will be discussed in the function level. So here we deals with functional requirements from the customer. So obvious, this is nothing but here we deals with the non-functional, the process, time taken process, something like when we launch an application, right? It will take much time to load. So those type of checks will be done in non-functional levels. The performance type of levels of testing. So these are the levels we have. So function levels are different types. So try to explain what are the function levels types. Functional levels. In function levels, the first type is unit testing. The second one is integration testing. So in integration testing, again we have types. The first type is top bottom approach. Sorry. The second one is bottom up approach. The third one is sandwich approach. The fourth one is big bang approach. Okay, and the third type is system testing. Sometimes system testing also known as functional testing, or sometimes we'll call it as black box method. Next is system integration testing. Shortcut we'll call it as ST. Short term we'll call it as SID. Next is UAT, nothing but or OAT, user acceptance testing. So I will write OAT abbreviation here. Operational acceptance testing. UAT stands for user acceptance testing. Both will be the same. Again, it contains two types. The first one is alpha testing. The second one is beta testing. Okay, we have gamma also, but no need. AT, FAT, and smoke testing. Very important user point of interview point of view. Sanity testing, regression testing. This is also very important entry point of view. End-to-end testing. Sometimes it is also known as chain testing. So these are the function levels we have. Come to second one, non-function levels. So as a manual testers, we doesn't deal with non-function levels. To do non-function levels, we should require the separate tool. The first one is performance testing. The second one is load testing. This is process points. Okay. All these are stress testing, security testing, usability testing, sorry, compatibility testing, reliability testing, and we have n number of things and etc. So these are the non-functional levels. So try to remember. So in levels we have two types. First one is functional, second is non-functional. Functional deals with functional requirement, non-functional deals with non-functional requirements. Okay, in function levels we have types: unit integration, system integration, UAT, smoke, sanity, regression, and end-to-end testing. Come to non-functional testing: performance, load, stress, security, usability, compatibility, reliability, something else, right? So these are the different types of function levels and different types of uh, non-function levels. Okay, try to remember. Many people will consider function levels are nothing but unit integration. Not like that. Levels we have two types: functional, non-functional. In functional we have unit integration like this. Okay. Okay. In further classes we try to understand what are the function levels, each and every function level, and with a real-time example. So that's it for the day. Thank you.